Hi everyone, I'm Ayesha, and I want to start by wishing all of you a very happy Women's Day. While we're celebrating women all around the world, it's important to remember that we have a long way to go. On Women's Day, everyone talks about celebrating women, but in reality, every day, women experience sexual assault or abuse in some form. In fact, statistics show that rape happens every 16 minutes in India. If hearing that made you uncomfortable, you'll probably agree that something has to be done to help. So, from the 5th to 11th of March, Purplle is giving 5% of the proceeds from their Women's Week sale to organizations that help victims of sexual assault. As India's first digital women's platform, we're very, very proud to be supporting this cause. So, if you're considering buying something from Purplle.com, know that your purchase will incredibly help a woman who needs it today and every day. Before I go, I just want to add it doesn't matter what the date on the calendar says, you're amazing every day. So, until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.